Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create a jump into a mug video in CapCut. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have prepared a project in my CapCut application, and if you want to create jump into a mug video, you have to record a video like this. And here I have prepared my video. I'm going to create jump into a mug video. What does a video or a does clip? And after that, we can add a mug video or a mug photo to this project. You can go to the overlay and tap on add overlay. And for example, I'm going to add this mug photo to my CapCut project. And I'm going to zoom out like this. And then I'm going to remove the background of this photo. We can click on remove background, and I'm going to use chroma key to remove the background. We can click on a color picker and pick the background color, and then you can increase the intensity. And I recommend you to search for a mug video or a mug photo with the clear background, so it will be easier for you to remove the background. And now the background has been removed, and we can go back. Then I'm going to make this photo align with my video. Okay, and I'm going to remove the background of the main video as well. We can click on the main video and then go to the remove background option again, this one. And for this main video, I'm going to use the auto removal. Okay, now the background of my main video has been removed, and I'm going to replace the background to make it more interesting. I'm going to go to the background, and then we can either select color, image, or blur. And I'm going to select image. Then I'm just going to pick an image from CapCut. I'm going to select maybe this one, guys. Okay, and now let's just take a look at the result. You can keep adjusting until you're satisfied with the result. Alright guys, and that's how we can create jump into a mug video using CapCut. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.